2 fried eggs. I usually have 2 fried eggs with my breakfast pancakes. Get the protein, and that was the pancake right there. Get the carbs. Oatmeal, raisin, oatmeal raisin pancakes, cinnamon toast butterscotch crunch pancakes. Frying up some cinnamon toast crunch, some oils and some cinnamon toasts, and then pancake batter with a little sugar and butterscotch chips. And then give it some. It's pancake batter with 2 eggs and, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of oil, milk powder. Cover it with the peanut butter and syrup. OMG, it's the goodness. Carrot cake pancakes. Bacon pancakes. Making bacon pancakes. With peanut butter and syrup on them. I give the pancake batter some salt, so it's kind of like salty and sweet. Key lime lemon cookie pancakes with cranberries. Lemon cookie, cranberry, and there's some key lime in the dough. Small side salad for lunch. What do we got? Like a bag of classic romaine salad, which is red cabbage, romaine, carrot. Then it's like half of a shredded cucumber, some sunflower seeds, half a shredded carrot, the French fried onions, we call that stuff Parmesan cheese, and this is balsamic It's not the best. You know, it's nothing like, not as balsamic vinaigrette, but it's not bad. My favorite is Zesty Italian. My favorite so far was a bottle of Zesty Italian that expired 2 years. You know, it had been expired for 2 years, so it was like brown. This right here I'm gonna try. It's like a Tuscan Italian. It's kind of like brown like this, you know, rather than golden. That was like real nice. Yeah, so this is a nice little side salad. These are dinners. Here, these are my savory pancakes. These ones are sour cream and onion pancakes. They're like latkes, you know, I guess. I don't know how you make a latke. This is well, it used to be 4 shredded potatoes on that thing. 2 diced onions, 1 egg, maybe a half cup flour, salt, pepper, garlic powder. What do you call it? Put the sour cream on them. That's latke type pancakes, dinner pancakes. There's some Margaret Holmes seasoned field peas and snaps. Margaret Holmes makes a lot of good stuff. Crucified potato salad. That's the last potato right there. Half of a summer sausage, 6 potatoes, 1 onion. Somewhere's in here there's like 8 cloves of garlic. Got 5 eggs. And then it's all inside of a country gravy. Like this summer sausage, I kind of boiled in the country gravy when I was making the country gravy. And then each batch of potatoes has been seasoned slightly different. So it's like that one has the Creole. Some of them were just salt and pepper. One of them had paprika. A couple of them had garlic salt. So cooking like 1 potato or half potato at a time. This is dinner for 3 days maybe. Couldn't get away with this during the summer, but since it's winter it's cool enough. Some pasta. It's got a can of navy beans. A pound of penne. Can of diced tomatoes and like garlic and basil and oregano. And the sauce is it's got a can of chicken breast, and the sauce is kind of oranges, in part from like cooked beans, overcooked navy beans, but mainly from lentils. So it's kind of overcooked lentils, giving it that color. It's hard to see. There they are. What do we got? That's tomatoes, garlic herb. What is that? Pasta sauce. Oh, seasoning is some sun-dried tomato basil seasoning. chicken. Salt, pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some red pepper flakes, and some Italian seasoning. Decent amount of oil. I don't know. Three or yeah, probably about 3 suppers worth right here. 3 or 4 suppers worth. You know, pound of pasta and dry pasta, and then a couple cans of stuff. You know, and a can of navy beans, which is I already got rid of outside. Chicken noodle soup. It's the kind that you can eat on a paper plate. So what do we got? There's a can of sweet corn, can of navy beans, can of chicken, 1 onion. Somewhere in here there's like half of a garlic, like a, you know, half of a bulb. And then 6 packs of chicken ramen. Oh, and a can of cream of chicken. So it's chicken ramen, cream of chicken, and then canned chicken, which makes a nice chicken noodle soup. To make it actually creamy, there's some milk powder in here. Give it more of a, you know, tone down the salt. And then it's seasoned with some Creole, some garlic powder. That's Italian. Some onion, some pepper, and some red pepper flakes. It's the goodness. Probably about 4 meals right here. Kind of complicated. 6 packs ramen and then like 4 cans. Got a can of chicken, can of cream of chicken, can of chicken, and a can of corn. Wait. Beans, chicken, cream of chicken, corn. But it's like, you know, suppers for like 4 days or so, and it's winter, so it can, you know, just leave it out. It'll stay chilled. Some kind of like a light pasta. Let's see what we got. It is a pound of garden rotini. It's like multicolored. There's a lot of normal colored ones, some orange ones, some green ones. There's 1 onion, half of it lightly fried with 2 cloves of garlic. And then the other half raw. Half of a smoked sausage. And a can of tuna in oil. And I used most of the oil, got rid of some of it. And then the rest of the sauce, other than the oil, is, if it'll show up, the, well, that is Zesty Italian. There it is. And then a little salt, pepper. Another 2 meals maybe, 2 dinners.